Here it is, part 4 of the RC Quick Drive series with the RC 4-wheel drive Gelande II D110. And today I have a simple statement to make with this vehicle, and that is going to be done through decals. And this is a decal sheet from RC 4-wheel drive. Something really simple, should be easy to put on, and it's going to make the truck look a lot better. I mean, it looks pretty good right now, but I think this decal sheet and the graphics on it are really going to set off the look of the machine. Alright, so this is basically it's like a $12 sheet, and with this sheet of decals here, you could do a number of different designs. There's a couple different patterns here, but it's a really nice decal. It is a 3M vinyl decal, matte finish. And what's really nice, it's die cut, and then it's got the clear film over it. So you cut out what you need, you pull the clear film with decal off, you use that clear film to kind of hold it where you need it, and then you could go and apply your decal sheet. It's that simple. I know it's a really simple video today, guys, but this is going to make the truck really cool looking, I promise. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take basically a glass cleaner and clean up the areas where I'm going to apply the decals, because obviously you don't want dirt under the decal. It's going to have bumps and stuff like that. But these are really simple to apply. I'm not even going to go and use a water transfer system or anything like that. Just got to go and apply them, maybe use a little heat to push them into some of the body panel lines and stuff. But that's really about it. It's a cool looking sheet. They offer it in white, black, and gray. And I'm just going to head over to the workbench now, apply these, show you how cool they look. Then we'll head out on the trail and see how good it looks out there. I gotta tell you, for 12 bucks and a few minutes on the workbench, these RC 4-wheel drive clean line decals look amazing, and they make the truck look amazing. I loved how it looked out there on the trails. It looked really cool, just ultra scale, and I can't wait to add more stuff onto this machine. Now, I know this was a pretty simple video, guys, but it made a big difference. I think so. And next time, I'm gonna add something much more expensive, so make sure you tune into that. This project is going to continually evolve with our RC Quick Drive series, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notifications bell, throw the video a like, throw a comment in the comment section if you have one about the decals, and of course, head over to rcdriver.com for some more RC information.